Not sure quite what to say yet, but welcome to step one of the Cyberpunk container build. This is going fairly well so far. This is our first plinth. We're going to put that second plinth just over there, somewhere over there. We're just trying to move this insane bag of sand. But yeah, no, so plan is today put down some concrete. Yeah, so we brought in my friend Samson to help us out today because he's got mad experience for this sort of thing, and his friend Joseph over there as well. Thank you very much, Samson, for coming in.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, so the first thing we ended up doing was cutting a channel into the dirt. We used an axe, a spade, and a whole lot of determination.
Yeah, so we got the bricks and the cement.
We then started laying out the bricks in a dry formation because once we put that concrete in, there was no way of checking spacing. And here we've got Samson just wetting the concrete, and we're doing this on a bed of building sand because we wanted to flesh out the mixture and get a bit more refined strength in. And then here's Joseph mixing it in. Then we have Samson and Joseph laying out the cement into the channels. We wanted to get a solid base because we're building it on sand and we were worried about it sinking. So by putting the concrete in, we got a nice flat base for the bricks to lie on. And there we go. Now we ended up putting the bricks on, just trying to get it as flat as possible. As I said, it's a bit of a rocky ground. And we filled the gap with... So we started just with the cement and concrete mixture, and then what we ended up doing was putting a wire mesh in, I believe a Z100, and that will just help strengthen up the concrete, give it something to bind to. So the other side we had to get a bit more creative, because we are building on a slope we had to do 2 layers high. And we decided on putting a layer of the excess bricks that we ordered just to fill the cavity and give it a lot more strength at the base. We then filled the next layer up with building sand and topped it off with our concrete mixture. We ended up not screeding any of the front or side edges because it's going to be underneath the container.
Thank you, Samson. Great job today, bro. Thank you again.
Bye-bye.
Oh, wait, right. Awesome. And thank you very much, Joseph, in the back. Thank you. Yeah.